Namaste, welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr. Sudarshan. Today, let us learn about a very famous Ayurvedic oil, Jatyadi Taila, which is used for quick wound healing in blisters, sinuses, non-healing wounds, etc. It is used for external application. Let us learn about the uses of Jatyadi Taila. It heals wounds quickly. It is used to apply externally over non-healing wounds, sinus, blisters, abscess and bite wounds. It is also useful in burns. It is applied over infected skin diseases such as hand, foot and mouth disease, eczema, syphilis, etc. Doctors prescribe this for the treatment of cracked heels, cracked nipples, external hemorrhoids, anal fissure, etc. This oil is partially useful in tinnitus and ear infection. If there are any wounds in the external ear, then it is very useful. It balances Pitta and Kapha dosha. Reference of this medicine is found in the treatise Sharangadhara Samhita Madhyama Khanda. Its benefits are traditionally explained in Sanskrit as Nadi Vrane Samutpanne, useful in deep wounds, sinuses and fistula. Spotake, useful in boils and carbuncles, burn wounds. Kachu Rogishu, useful in the treatment of skin disorders with severe itching. Sadhyaha Shastra Prahareshu, useful in fresh injury due to weapons, road traffic accident, etc. Dagda Viddeshu, useful in treating burn wounds. Nakha Dantakshaye can be applied on the nails and teeth to treat dental caries and fungal nail infection. For this, a cotton swab dipped in the oil is placed on the affected tooth or nail. Vrane Dushte Prashasyate, useful in chronic wounds, non-healing wounds with severe infection. How to use Jatyadi Taila? It is used to apply over the non-healing wounds. Usually, a cotton swab dipped in the oil is placed over the wound or blisters for about half an hour, twice or thrice a day. On the wounds, it can be applied directly. Use in Dhara treatment. This oil is used for drip treatment or Dhara, or the wounds for quick healing and pain relief. Dripping is continued for a period of 10 to 15 minutes. Jatyadi oil for piles and fissures. Dip a cotton swab into the Jatyadi oil bottle and apply to the anal area thoroughly every time after defecation and also at night. Once you use the cotton swab, do not dip it in the oil again. This will infect the oil. Because it is a good wound healing oil, it checks the bleeding and heals the fissure wounds faster. It also reduces the burning sensation, irritation and itching sensation which are commonly found in piles, fistula and fissure. This product is meant only for external application. Accidental oral intake may cause severe side effects. It is generally considered as safe to use during pregnancy, lactation and in children. Now let us see what are the ingredients of this oil. Jatyadi Taila contains nutmeg, neem, pointed gourd, honeybee wax, purified blue vitriol, licorice, turmeric, Indian madder, Indian sarsaparilla, sesame oil, etc. This oil is manufactured by Sandu, Baidyanath, Nagarjuna, etc. Ayurveda pharma companies. Jatyadi oil is used as ingredient in many Ayurvedic medicines such as Kulon ointment, which is applied externally to treat hemorrhoids and anal fissures. If you were using this oil before pregnancy without any allergic reaction, you can continue using this oil even during pregnancy. If you have not used this product before and wish to use it during pregnancy, better to consult a doctor because it can cause skin allergy in some rare cases. It is generally considered as safe to use during lactation. However, consult your doctor for the right advice. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.